What is up, everyone? Yes, I know, Nathy already made this video, but there's honestly so many people asking me to make this, which makes me think that either you guys haven't seen his video, or you just want me to make this. Or you're just here because you saw the thumbnail and you're like, damn, I didn't know I need this in my life, but I do now. And if that's so, welcome. Timestamps down in the description below in case you're interested in any specific part of this video. Today I'm going to show you how to launch Spotify in the background of your Oculus Quest, and I'm going to tell you a little bit of news when it comes to VR, but first things first, because you're all probably here for the first one. Spotify in the background. As a lot of us know, not every app runs in the background on the Oculus Quest. In fact, pretty much no app runs in the background on the Oculus Quest, which is the reason that we can't have Spotify running in the background and listening to music, which is the reason we can't have Discord going on in the background, listening to other people, talking to them while in game. But there is a way around it, and I've been spammed with that way around it on the Discord multiple times this week, and I mean, thank you for doing that. And then I googled it, and it turns out Nathy did it. So, look, props to Nathy for doing it first. However, I'm here now recording it for you guys. So this one is going to be very quick, because it is not difficult at all. It can be quite confusing if you were to do it on your own, but thankfully it's not difficult at all. In fact, we can run it all by using hand tracking, which is actually really cool. There is one app that I know for a fact runs in the background on your Oculus Quest, and that app is Oculus Web Browser. So as you can see, we are in the Oculus Web Browser right now, and all you do is you launch the Spotify web player. Now there is a catch to this, because when launching Spotify web player, you need to make sure that it is forced into desktop mode. So you click this little icon right here. For you, it's going to look like this. You click this and it gets forced into desktop mode. If you don't do this, it's just going to take you to the Google Play Store to download the app, or at least that's what it was doing for me. What I forgot to mention here is that you will need to sign in to the Spotify web player the first time you open it. There should be a big login button, it'll be in the top right. Now you are in Spotify. Congrats. From here, you can play any song you like. As you can see, I'm just playing the Epidemic Sounds list because those are the songs I have licensed. From here, you just press the Oculus button and you launch any game you like. I'm going to launch VR Chat, for example. You will notice your music actually stops playing. From here, you want to take out your phone, your PC, or, well, anything for that matter, launch Spotify on your phone, and then go into the song, whatever you were playing, bottom left, web player, Chrome, and click play. And your song will resume inside the headset. Yeah, I know, it's not the perfect solution, but it is a solution we have currently. Clearly, the Oculus Web Browser app can run in the background, allowing for things like this. And now, you can officially have a dance party rave in VR chat. And I mean, well, sure, it comes with a few obvious negatives, such as having to have your phone on the side to actually start up the music, because the web app does stop playing the music when you launch a different app. It does work, and it is completely doable. So there you go. In case you're like me and you love listening to music while you're playing games in Tilt Brush or anything else, this is for you. Now we just need to figure out how to run Discord in the background. Okay, now for some negative news, because unfortunately we do have to talk about some news, and Oculus giveth and Oculus taketh away. Yeah, that's a thing. Yesterday, I released the news that Oculus has banned cloud gaming on the Oculus Store. Some people misunderstood that as cloud gaming just being banned entirely. No, cloud gaming is not banned entirely. Cloud gaming is just banned off the store, meaning people without a PC are going to have problems again because they won't be able to sideload a patch for cloud gaming to happen. We will definitely get a patch for cloud gaming to happen yet again, but you will need SideQuest to sideload it. Meaning, if you don't have a PC to run SideQuest, you're going to be in trouble. The rest of us should be fine. It's just annoying because they just allowed Virtual Desktop to go into the App Store. That's why it's such a big deal. But more bad news. 120Hz support, while it was confirmed and is still technically confirmed, and we now know for 100% certainty that it is possible, confidence levels are low and it's been moved on to Q2 of 2021. So while it was supposed to start coming out this month, and some people apparently received the update this month, I find that highly unlikely, but some people were talking about it on Reddit, apparently it's now been moved onto Q2 of 2021 and the confidence levels are low. meaning we might not actually receive it. Why we wouldn't receive it? Well, I can only imagine the problems that they're having with actually releasing it. And while I personally don't need apps to run at 120 Hz natively, even though that would be sick, that would be amazing, I can only see the amount of problems that would cause. If Virtual Desktop could run at 120 Hz and the Link could run at 120 Hz, I'd be happy, because that would mean PCVR 120 Hz, and that's all I personally want. I don't necessarily need native apps to be running at 120 Hz. 90 is already good enough for me. And the next and last piece of news is also, unfortunately, not very happy, so I apologize in advance if you can hear it in my voice. But I do feel like I need to mention the next piece of news, because this has been all over Reddit, this has been all over my comments section, and a lot of people seem to want to get this out there. Shadow has filed for bankruptcy. The title of the first Reddit that shows up when you Google this is Shadow is bankrupt. The financial debt amounts to 3.7 million as of today. And then there's a bunch of case files and things that you can read onto if you're really interested in that. However, the one thing that I would definitely urge you guys to check out in case you are actually interested in this is their Twitch stream that they did where they talk with their co-founder about the future of Shadow and what is going to happen. So I urge you guys to check that out. I'm going to leave a link to that down in the comment section below. But yeah, I did feel like mentioning this was important. It is news, and a lot of you guys are using Shadow, a lot of you guys are using cloud gaming. I don't know entirely what this means for you, so I'm not going to go into that because again, I'm not a professional. I don't know what this means for you. But if you do check out the live stream, they are pretty confident that they are going to find an investor. So I would say maybe hold off on canceling your subscription just yet. I do encourage you to check out that live stream. But yeah, unfortunately, not very good news today, but as I said yesterday, I do feel like I need to update you guys on the news as they come out daily. And that's actually that for the news and for the tutorial, so if you guys were only here for that, feel free to leave. If you liked the video, please leave a like. If you guys disliked it, I guess this button works too, but please tell me why down in the comment section below. However, I just want to talk to the rest of the community. I have a few announcements, a few things to say, so yeah. Before we end off today's video, I just want to say a huge thank you to everybody who joined us during the You Spend My Money live stream yesterday. It was absolutely incredible, absolutely amazing. We had a lot of fun. You guys absolutely wasted my money to all hell. You bought like the weirdest things, honestly, seriously. What is this? Okay, why? Who sent this? Do you, what? Explain. Like, do you realize that I bought Disney Plus for you guys? Someone seems extremely excited for this because chat was spamming this. Have fun. Oh, okay, well that's actually quite horrifying to be real with you. Why did I know that this was going to show up sooner or later? Let's switch back. Oh no, it's all just votes on yes. It's all, it's not all votes on yes. Okay, this is getting interesting. This is getting quite interesting indeed. And 1 minute has passed. And yes, there will be another live stream unboxing all of them once they arrive. I think my postman will genuinely want to destroy me after this. I'm so sorry, Mr. Postman. You know, I respect you, honestly. Big respect, seriously. Guys, yeah. It was great fun though, absolutely great fun. I'm going to be working on the highlights for that, and my admins have their side of the video. I cannot wait to see that. So hopefully that's going to take me a while to edit, but I'm really hoping on releasing that sometime soon for you guys so that you can watch the highlights, the things you are interested in. So that was great fun. Also, I did mention giveaways. Yes, we are going to have giveaways. I have a bunch of things that I do need to give away to you guys. So make sure to stay tuned on the Discord. That's going to be announced first on the Discord. I will announce it on the YouTube as well, but you know, Discord gets dibs on everything, so make sure to join the Discord. And that is going to be it for today's video. If you guys liked it, please leave a like. If you guys disliked it, I guess this button works too, but please tell me why down in the comment section below. If you guys would like to support the channel in any way, shape, or form, we've got sick merch down below that doesn't put a huge ad on your body, and mugs that boost your FPS by 300%. And if you guys don't want to visit the link down below, check out mysticalstore.com. If you guys are somehow not yet part of the community, make sure to join the Discord down below, join that Reddit down below, post your spice memes, and if you guys want to be notified about future content coming up on the channel, then make sure to smack the subscribe button, hit your forehead, ding my bell, and see you again in the next video. Peace.